Hello friends! Today we are going to learn some fun action words in English. Are you ready? Let's go! She is painting.
She is painting.
Paint.
Paint.
He is cleaning.
He is cleaning.
Clean.
Clean.
She is watering the flowers.
She is watering the flowers.
Water.
Water.
She is drawing.
She is drawing.
Draw.
Draw.
She is shouting.
She is shouting.
Shout.
Shout.
He is taking pictures.
He is taking pictures.
Take pictures.
Take pictures.
Fantastic! We learned paint, clean, water, draw, shout, take pictures. You're amazing!